Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-07, the Crankshaft Oil Filler Cap for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, let's open up file, new, part MMGS. Okay, let's go to top, sketch. We want to do a circle. It's going to be 25. Now that's going to be a depth of 9. I am going to do mid plane on this one. That may come in here a little bit later on. We've got to put a pin through there. Now if we go bottom one here, sketch another circle. That's going to be 16. That's going to be out by 12. And done. Before we go any further, I'm going to put a thread on that. Thread should be, actually nope. We want to do a plane first. So do the plane on that. Beautiful. Done. Now we can do the thread. Thread. We want this cylinder here, oh sorry, the circle. We want that one there, but we don't want blind. We want up to selection, which is that one there. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, hold on. Clear that one because that's the wrong one. Should be that one there. There we go. Because I was thinking, why didn't it go past? I clicked that face there, not the plane. So you got to be careful on that. Extrude. Let's see. Trim, and done. Oops, sorry. Cut and done. And hide you. Now we want to. Let's see. Not top. Right plane. Oh, hold on. Get out of there. Normal 2 first. Now, there we go. Now this is where that part here would come in handy. So this is normally a press fit piece, but I'm just going to build this one piece. Thank you. So normally you put a hole and it's going to be press fit in, but I'm just going to build this as one piece. Smart dimension. That is going to be 5. There we go. And that's going to feature extrude. It's going to be 37 divided by 2, 37 length. It's 18.5. It's going to go both ways. 18.5 and done. Beautiful. Now we want to do a fillet. That's still on 1. Nope. It's on 10. That can go there, there, and there. There we go. Yep, that looks good. And that should be done. Yes, it is. That's that piece done. Let me turn that there. Beautiful. So that's part 5-07. The Crankshaft Oil Filler Cap done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed the episode? Click the like button. Comment, subscribe, do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.